The priority light on your Rheem Tankless water heater is a crucial indicator that tells you exactly what your unit is doing at any given moment. Here's the remote control panel showing the priority light location. This small but important indicator provides real-time information about your water heater's operational status. When the priority light is on, your tankless water heater is actively heating water to meet current demand. This is especially common when multiple fixtures are using hot water simultaneously. When the light is off, your unit is in standby mode, patiently waiting for someone to turn on a hot water tap. This indicates no current heating activity and helps you understand when the system is idle. A flashing priority light, especially if it's red, signals an error condition. This is typically accompanied by an error code on the LED display that will help you identify the specific issue. On models with deluxe controller systems, the priority light indicates which controller currently has temperature control authority. Only one controller can be active at a time, and the priority light shows you which one is in charge. By observing the priority light patterns, you can monitor your water heater's performance and gain valuable insights into your hot water usage patterns. This helps you optimize energy efficiency and detect potential issues before they become major problems. The priority light serves as your window into your tankless water heater's operation, providing real-time feedback that helps you understand and optimize your hot water system. The priority light serves as a valuable monitoring tool for your Rheem tankless water heater's performance and energy efficiency. By observing when the light activates, you can gain insights into your hot water usage patterns. If the priority light is frequently off during peak usage times, this may indicate your water heater is struggling to keep up with demand. This could suggest the need for maintenance or potentially an upgrade to handle your household's hot water requirements. A flashing priority light, especially when red, often indicates an error condition. This is typically accompanied by error codes on the display that provide valuable diagnostic information about issues such as power problems, ignition failures, or overheating. Regular maintenance is essential for optimal performance. This includes annual inspections and flushing the system every 6 months to prevent mineral buildup and extend the unit's lifespan. When encountering problems, follow these essential troubleshooting steps. Check the power supply, verify gas supply, ensure proper water flow, inspect venting, and try resetting the water heater. These basic checks can often resolve minor issues. By understanding how to use the priority light for monitoring and following these troubleshooting guidelines, you can maintain optimal performance from your Rheem tankless water heater and quickly identify when professional service may be needed.